Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
Okay, so we're in Jiangmen, so we're kind of in this historical area, and I guess it's Pengjiang. And there's actually a tourist map right here, and this city has a lot of movie references, and I'll try to explain all that too, but this city is about 2 million people, and I think the metro is more like 5 million people. And you got all these covered arcades like these, and it also goes up into here. So we're gonna explore all of this and show you more of Jiangmen. Jiangmen, China, up on the map. In this particular one, there's these movie references everywhere. 33 steps is the steps. I didn't know it when I was there. I didn't know the reference, but now I do. So anyways, we got the map, and then I'll also put some movie references up there too, just so you can kind of see that in the background. And without further ado, we're gonna show you Jiangmen and a little slice of this not too far away from Macau, Zhuhai, and Guangzhou City. All right, as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Before we even start, we're gonna go down this alley slightly. And there's a movie reference right here. So I think this is what put the city on the map for domestic tourism. And we're gonna just meander around and explore. See some of this too. I'd like to go up there, but there's this stuff every direction. That's actually one of the challenges. They're just some more actresses right there as well. I should go up the stairs. See how picturesque everything is. Okay, I'm gonna go up the stairs. These old shops and these old homes. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's go up there and see what this is. Some nice windows. So let me see. Let me go back. So this city is 2 million people, but it has a lot of history. So there's a lot of overseas Chinese that went out everywhere in the world, and they came back, brought a lot of wealth, but they also brought a lot of influences. So we were seeing some of that. This is the second video I'm doing in Jiangmen. I did another one, so one of them I saw there was some posters that are put up in different places. Let me just see. Could go in any direction, but I kind of want to go down this way because it's all these balconies. Okay, so anyways, I saw some posters. I saw a poster in video number 1. You can always look in my thumbnails at the end of the video and go back to the other ones of the same city. More movie references. It's a barber shop. Yeah, I guess so. Nice balconies too. Hello. People are really friendly too. I think they see, I think it's maybe kind of like new tourism. I think the movie came out, I don't know if this is the one that everything is on, but I saw something that was 2023 that was pretty big. And it might be referring to that one, and if so, that's quite recent. So that would, but I think a lot of this has been here for quite a while. Like, I don't think they put this up in 2023. Who knows? But yeah, I really like this town though. Wow. This just has so much character. It's like I wish towns were still built like this. The city is amazing. You got some music. Is that coming from the car? And maybe it's coming from a business or a car. I don't know which one. Let's get out of the way of that music. Good luck. It's a really cool town. Getting a haircut over there. So we're gonna keep on meandering around. I saw when I first came into the city, there's a river down that way, so the river kind of follows it. So I think all of this has a lot of history connected to the river initially, maybe. Here's more of the movie references. Oh, that has a Macau theme. Let's meander through here. Really like all these covered arcades. What a cool city. Nice smooth sidewalks too. It's really clean. The reason I'm mentioning the sidewalks is because I'll see some of these types of things in like Penang, Malaysia, and the sidewalks are all crazy. They put everything out front and they're kind of like jaded. Like each individual changes the height of the sidewalk, but this one they're all smooth all the way down. You know, walk into the street. So anyways, all the along the river, about a 1 kilometer down, there is a bunch of these Lingnan style housing, which is really beautiful. And I like to definitely go over there and film as well. Some good food. Okay. Let's kind of get out of here, get into the... So I kind of like to walk around and show it as if you were there yourself. It's some duck. Oh, that's cool. Spider-Man bike. Okay. There's so much detail everywhere. If I pause. Thank you. I hate to not take that. I feel like I should take it, but I can't read it. It's all in Chinese. This looks like a nice market. It's really clean too. Wow. It's really, really clean. Yeah, that was one of the cleanest markets I've ever seen. It's right in there, and I just showed one of my friends who likes to go to the local markets, and that was like crazy clean. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking around, show you more of Jiangmen, kind of getting a taste for it. Kind of want to get some of these lemon tea ones. Next one I see, I'm gonna get it. Anyways, I think what we're gonna do is come to another ending. And I'm gonna find somewhere interesting to film in Jiangmen. Give you a little slice of the city here.
Got the